How to create a pin without tapping OK on your Samsung device. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can create a pin and log into your phone without having to tap OK. So what I'm talking about right here is if I just lock my screen and then try to unlock it. I have my fingerprint here, but if I want to unlock it with my pin, so if I just enter my pin and it won't automatically enter to my phone, I will have to press on this OK. So if I just tap OK, I will be able to enter my phone. But let's see how you can do it without having to enter the OK. First of all, you will have to go to your settings and scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. Just tap on it and choose your lock screen type, and you can just enter your current pin here. Tap on continue and tap on pin. Now you want to set your new pin, so it is recommending at least 6 digits, so let's just enter our current pin and add 2 digits on it. Then you will see this pop-up right here saying confirm pin without tapping OK. So you want to uncheck and check this again and tap on continue. And it's saying that pin is easy to guess. We're going to use it anyway for now, so let's just confirm our pin. So if I just confirm my pin right here, it's a new feature that Samsung has provided us with, which is helpful. So if you forget your new pin, it will be saved for 72 hours, so you can use it to reset your lock screen if you forget your new pin. So it's a really cool new feature. Now if I just lock my phone and try to unlock it with the pin that I've just set, I won't have to tap on OK. So I haven't tapped OK or anything, it's directly signing into my phone. And that's how you can create a pin without tapping OK on a Samsung device. I'll see you guys on the next one.